That's XNote, the next generation of note-taking. Today, we'll explore the magic behind this AI-powered notebook. Let's dive in to understand why XNote is the game changer in the realm of note-taking. In front of us is a scene many of us resonate with: traditional note-taking. Elegant, serene, timeless, but as the ink flows, notice something extraordinary. Our smart pen, the pinnacle of innovation, tracks every stroke, every swirl, instantly mirroring it onto a digital platform. No delays, no scans, pure magic. As XNote reads, it does more than just see letters and numbers. It grasps the core of your thoughts, turning itself into more than a tool. It becomes a partner in your creative and intellectual journey. Imagine jotting down a complex equation or a graph. Just as the ink dries, XNote steps in, delivering the answer. It's not just understanding, it's instantaneous insight. With tasks jotted, they are recognized immediately. Check one off, and it updates seamlessly. And those notes from last week's meeting, a quick chat and they pop right up. Plus, with XNote's smart categorization, every page is automatically tagged with relevant keywords, making retrieval a breeze. From a student summarizing class notes to a professional distilling insights from a long report, XNote is there to simplify, transforming lengthy text into concise summaries and even further into key bullet points. Efficiency isn't just a word, it's an experience. In a space where every thought is celebrated, witness a mind map unfold. As you etch out your concepts, XNote intuitively synchronizes. Engage in a chat and marvel as AI-driven insights enhance your brainstorm, elevating ordinary sessions to moments of pure brilliance. Exploring a new language or translating an important document? As you venture into the realm of words, XNote assists, translating every phrase with precision. In the digital age, privacy is paramount. Rest easy. XNote treasures your notes, guarding them with state-of-the-art, robust encryption. In merging the charm of tradition with the power of innovation, XNote stands unparalleled. It's not merely a notebook, but an intelligent companion. Welcome to the future of note-taking. Welcome to XNote.
Does anyone have any more questions? If not, let's move on to the next topic of discussion.
Isn't life about what we experience? What we smell?
Can I eat this?
Yes, dragon fruits are low in sugar.
What we hear?
Hey, what should I get here?
我在这里该点什么呢？
What we see?
Oh. Capture this. City.
And what we feel? What if we build more memories?
What are some fun things to do nearby?
Share more moments?
Can we play songs from the last time we were here?
What would happen if we rediscover our senses? What if devices weren't the experience?
Catch me up.
Lucy called and your flight is at 7 a.m.
Tell Lucy I'm on my way.
What if life was?
AI Pin.
How the amazing CLIK Pro works. Now, the earbud just comes out from the case, and you can have it in your ear this way, or you can turn it the other way, just for your own comfortability, right? So we've spent so many years when we were doing the development, and we realized that some people want to wear it this way or that way. So we've designed it in such a way that you can wear it upwards or downwards and it'll still fit. In dual translation mode, you can speak to someone on the street and then get your language translated right into your ears. Now, I've got Lisa here who's going to show us how it works in dual translation mode.
Can you tell me the way to the train station?
There you have it. I can hear whatever Lisa said in French directly from the case. If I speak French, Lisa will hear whatever I've said in English in her ears. Bonjour, je m'appelle Mymanu.
Hello, my name is Mymanu.
You could also set auto detection mode. Now, auto detection mode is, let's say, Lisa doesn't know if I speak French, Spanish, or Japanese. In this case, if I was to speak French, bonjour, je m'appelle Danny. The system instantly recognizes that it's French and then translate to English to Lisa. This could be useful if you're in a bar, in the shop, having a drink with friends and people are speaking around you. You'll be able to set it to auto detection mode and then you'll be able to hear whatever is being said in your own language. Another brilliant use case is the group translation mode. Now, the group translation mode requires the Mymanu application, which allows you to connect to people all around the world. So imagine sending a message to someone or sending a message to a group of people all speaking different languages. Every single person in the group will hear the speech in their own language and also get a text version.
Hey Mike, before the upcoming negotiation, let's go over some key details. I've got Todd on this call too. Here's what we need to bear in mind.
We've all had those moments when an important call just catches us off guard. But how does Todd manage this, you might ask? Introducing PLAUD, a ChatGPT-empowered AI voice recorder for note-taking. PLAUD is a revolutionary device that easily records meetings, iPhone calls, and beyond. It instantly transcribes recordings into time-coded text and even summarizes your transcription and makes mind maps for you in no time. Sometimes notes poorly taken in a rush can get us in a pickle. But luckily, Todd recorded the entire call, thanks to PLAUD. The recording has been auto-synced to the free-to-use app, where ChatGPT precisely transcribes and summarizes crucial information. In certain scenarios, this could make or break. The processing is super quick. You'd usually have it ready in minutes. PLAUD's 0.117-inch slim body is loaded with advanced technology. The air conduction sensor picks up surrounding sounds, while the vibration conduction sensor picks up internal microphone sounds. When combined with advanced AI noise-canceling algorithms, you'll always get premium recordings that result in spot-on transcription. What's more, it easily snaps to your phone with the included MagSafe case, making it the easiest gadget to use on the go. PLAUD Note is also not just limited to business use. Anyone who needs to record lectures, interviews, phone calls, or any random inspiration will find it a tremendous boost to their productivity. Get PLAUD Note, achieve and applaud yourself for taking your career and life to a whole new level.
Where is the nearest coffee shop?
¿Estás aquí por ti mismo? That's easy.